Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Typeform API with OAuth and Webhooks step by step clearly. To begin authorizing the Typeform API using OAuth, first, navigate to the Typeform developer portal. Create a new application by clicking on the Create New App button. Fill in the required fields, including the application name and redirect URI. Once your application is created, you will receive a client ID and client secret. Keep these credentials handy, as they will be needed for authorization. Next, go to the OAuth 2.0 authorization code flow section. Construct your authorization URL using the provided format. Include the client ID, redirect URI, and the required scopes in your URL. Open this URL in your browser to initiate the authorization process. Log into your Typeform account, if prompted. Once logged in, grant the required permissions for your application. You will then be redirected to the URI you provided, along with an authorization code in the URL. Copy this authorization code for the next step. Now, it's time to exchange the authorization code for an access token. Using your preferred API client, make a POST request to the token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, authorization code, and redirect URI in the request body. If successful, you will receive an access token and a refresh token. Store these tokens securely, as they will be important for accessing the Typeform API. Now that you have your access token, you can make API calls. Start by making a GET request to the Typeform API endpoint you wish to access. Include the access token in the authorization header of your request. To handle webhook notifications, navigate to the Webhooks section of your Typeform dashboard. Add a new webhook by providing the target URL where you want to receive notifications. Select the events you wish to listen for, such as form responses. Once set, Typeform will send a POST request to your specified URL whenever an event occurs. Ensure your server can handle incoming requests and process the data accordingly. Verify that your webhook is functioning correctly by sending test requests. You are now ready to fully integrate the Typeform API using OAuth and Webhooks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.